Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing another soft plastic rigging video. Today we're going to be doing the Yum Crawbug. This is my favorite Crawbug on the market right now because it's hollow on the inside, so you can hide whatever terminal you use to rig this up, as far as whether it be split shot and your hooks and swivels and all that kind of stuff, and bullet weights and things like that. You can hide it inside, but what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to take this size 4 treble hook and we're going to poke it through the end to make this hole, and we're going to put this to the side for now. And then I have this snap swivel with just a bit of line tied onto it, just so that it would be similar to tying this onto an actual rig. So what you want to do is take this swivel and push it all the way through the hole that we just made. And you can do this without the swivel, but it is just easier to use the swivel in this rig. But if you're not a swivel guy, you don't have to use it. So then you want to feed some line through until you get this to come out the front. So now you want to open up your clasp on the end and put your treble hook on there, close it back. So now you want to pull this through until you pull it tight up against the body. You want 2 barbs down, 1 barb up, and you're gonna basically do a Texas rig to make it come out the top of the head between the eyes. So this is how I rig up a Yum Crawbug. So you have 1 barb on the top that's kind of protected by the rest of the body, 2 barbs on the bottom that are protected by these claws. So if you're dropping it down and it's in the attack position, anything that comes at it from any direction is going to get at least 1 barb in its mouth. So that is a way to rig up a Yum Crawbug. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Shoot us an email or a comment if you have any ideas or suggestions to help us make our videos better, or new topics. The email is poormanoutdoors9802@gmail.com. Thanks again for tuning in, and we will catch you next time.